When you're looking for a place to call home, look no further than Kensington at Chelmsford. The community is conveniently located near Route 110, Route 3, and I-495. Close by, you'll find a variety of fine dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Resident favorites include Whole Foods, Burton's Bar and Grill, and The Outlook. Inside your new 1 or 2 bedroom apartment home, you'll enjoy attractive amenities, including private balconies and open floor plans. A washer and dryer is included in every unit. Outside your front steps, a sparkling resort-style pool with stunning sun deck is available for your relaxation. Our community offers modern conveniences like a fitness center, billiards room, and more. Residents love the added bonus of our car wash station, while online payments and maintenance scheduling keeps your life simple. Your furry friends will love living here too. No pet can resist a walk around our neatly maintained grounds and landscaping. You deserve luxury. You need a home to call your own. When you're tired of settling, come see your new apartment at Kensington at Chelmsford. A new life awaits you.